Porter life. Alright, you guys, so it's gonna rain tomorrow, and I want to get these in the ground today. This is the pomegranate tree that I purchased from the 99-cent store, and then this is the grapevine. I purchased the grapevine from Home Depot. It was $8.99, and that is seedless grapes. So it looks good. And then that is the habanero pepper that I got. Got some Job's Organics. I did get steer manure blend, same one I used last time, and then I just got the garden soil. So yeah. Alright, so first thing I'll do is use the garden soil. Got my helper out here helping me. I like to put this at the bottom. No, don't eat it. Now I want to take my grapevine. Loosen up the soil a little bit. Okay. Move the roots out a little bit. I like to break the roots up. Thank you, Jace. Thank you. No, stop. Give it a really good watering. Alright, you guys, so this is my grapevine right now. Just put it in. They also have crazy amounts of habanero pepper right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these habanero peppers, and let's see. It says habanero, so I'm gonna grab that. It looks great. Jace.